plan was to leave early and get out there before it got hot and topwater fish when the sun came up. But you know how trips are with a girlfriend, you sit out here staring at the boat. So there's only so much tinkering you can do with a boat. Waiting on her to get ready. Let's go see what she's doing. And there's the reason why we're always late. The fish don't care, Callie, if your teeth are clean. Any day now. At 10 o'clock, here she comes.
9:07.
Alright, we'll get out there by 11 o'clock. Got out here at 10 o'clock. Absolutely no water. All the bars are out of the water today. Feels like a hot, no wind kind of day. Middle of March. Right over that bar. Right over the oyster bars. I don't know where I'm going, but we made it. Look at the dolphins. Wow, that was a big fish. Holy crap. I think the dolphin's stuck. He's gonna follow us. All the fish are sitting right here. It's getting shallow. Look at all the fish. Hang on. This is what fishing with Kelly looks like. First cast, Kelly. Is that a red? That's a flounder. On a jig. That's cool. Yeah, but I'm not keeping them. I don't like these little skinny things. He ate my jig. Ooh, big fish. Wow. Wow, that was nice. They're sitting in that little corner. Get the net out, please. This is a big red. Oh, he's towing the boat. Wow, he's towing us, Kelly. Oh, stupid. I was trying to get him on this side of the boat. Trying to get him out of those rocks. Feels like a big redfish. Oh shoot. Shoot, he just got snagged. That was dumb. That was a rookie error I just made. See, I was worried about other fish in that spot. So I was trying not to spook the other fish. The hook might have came out. I'm hoping he's still on though. There he is. Oh, it looks like a big snook. Oh, big snook, Kelly. Hey, that's a keeper. It's snook season. That's a big old snook. Get that freaking grass off my line. Huge snook. I think I can get the weeds off. Alright, head first, Kelly. There you go. That's a nice keeper snook. It's a nice slot fish right there. Nice slot fish. still trying to revive this thing. I think she wants to go in the cooler. She's like, it's snook season, why are you letting me go? Come on, baby, swim. She's not doing much. If I let her go, she's just gonna sink. Swim, fish. I can feel her kind of moving. I wonder if I let her go, what she's gonna do. You ready to let her go?
She's probably just getting spoiled.
Yeah, I'm gonna give her a little push into the current. Let's see what happens. You ready to swim, girl? Come on, swim. Oh, there's a kid. She's gone. Go for her. Yeah, she's swimming. I saw a couple. Good job, Kelly. All on your own. That's a big one. Good job, Kelly. This took you the second try to get him. You missed the first one.
It's probably the same thing.
He swallowed it. That's a tank. Show you what happened? They spit the hook. It makes sense that it was a trout. That way he spits the hook like that. 18-inch trout, babe. Good job. A nice trout. Found where all the boats are. You got a porgy? It's not even a trout. Wow. Good job, Kelly. You caught bait. There must have been 1,000 of them trying to eat the gulp, and then he got snagged. He's been out there dying for the last 5 minutes while you're having your lunch break. Honestly, probably throw him back out like that for sharks. He just jumped out of the water. Did you see that? You got all the way down? Those people are probably going to be mad. That didn't take long, huh? You find the mullet, you find the reds. Those mullet were all spooled up right there, and that red was right in the middle of them. Little dinky one. Don't make fun of my redfish. We just got a slam. We got flounder, redfish, trout, snook. That's like a big red, Kelly. Good job. Wow. All by yourself. Look at that. That's a keeper, Kelly. Nice fish. Look at you getting all the keepers. You got the keeper trout and the red. Good job. Nice fish. Good job. Get out of the way so I can catch one. Yep, Kelly's got the keepers. Redfish and a trout. Kelly's got the redfish and trout. I don't have nothing in the cooler. I let my snook go though. A little small red. That went under instantly. I thought it went under like from being snagged. Must be a small school of reds out there. He's little. Eating my rotten shrimp that's been in the freezer for 3 months. Yeah. Bought no bait, bought no lures. This is some old frozen shrimp. Little dinky thing. What? that's a good one. There we go, baby. There we go. It's on. That's a nice red. Easy fishing right there. Had a little drag scream at the beginning. Probably missed it on video, but you know, beautiful weather out here. We got 5 boats in the background. Nobody's catching anything. That's a guide right there. I don't know. It doesn't feel as big now. It's swimming at me though. It doesn't even look like a redfish. Why does he look so small?
What is it?
I just suck at fishing, that's all. I think I'm getting old. These little fish are starting to feel stronger. Here's a scrappy look at, okay? There you go, grab my fish.
Oh, here's one.
I can't catch a keeper. You're making me look bad, Kelly. She's watching me catch fish now. Go, Kelly! See, you make fish look tiny, you just reel them in. I'm over here, I fight the little fish that make them look big. You make keepers look tiny. Said you're my good luck charm. Why is yours always bigger than mine? What? It's a little bit bigger than the last one I caught. Can't catch a trout today. Well, these are a little stronger than trout. Good job, Kelly. Captain! Look at our nasty bag of shrimp. 3 months old. Still catching redfish on it. This is how you save money. I feel like I should be a little bit more nervous up here with you driving. You've never drove a boat. Holy crap! What? Good thing I have a jet drive, don't have to worry about you hitting the bottom. Small red. Not the smallest, but it's not the biggest. I can't catch a keeper. It's about quantity today. I gotta outdo your quality. That's a big one. We should anchor. Well, actually throw yours out, see if you catch another one. Put a shrimp on it. That's a good one. I finally got a keeper. He's not even big. He might not even be as big as yours. Yeah, he's bigger than yours, actually. You're talking crap. Got 2 reds back to back. Look at that. Get a little redfish. Well, we found a redfish spot.
Seriously? Oh my god.
Not doing anything, and there was a fish on the whole time. I didn't even realize it. Oh, there's a little red with him. Is it? That's cool. Crazy little red fish. Oh, jeez. Alright, I almost had a hook in my hand. Look how bent this is. What in the world has happened? think it's because the line was wrapped around this thing.